Okay, guys, we are live for the 7th day of Christmas, I think it is. Hold on a second here. There we go. 8:04 a.m. Eastern. And it is the 7th day, sorry. So here's the list. And time, 8:05 a.m. Eastern. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. Good luck, guys. 1, 8:05 a.m. Eastern. 2. We've gone 2 times. 8:05 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Craig Mackian, you take the 7th day 3 times. 8:05 a.m. Eastern. Congratulations, Craig. I have your info. I'll add it to the package I send out to you. Just give me a second here, guys, to copy this over. Hold on. There we go. We are done. Time 8:06 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.